Hey guys, we are going to make some threads in Fusion 360. If you want any more training on Fusion 360, there's a course linked below. Let's make some threads. I am going to first, from sketch, I'm going to create a circle, center circle. I'm going to select, click, drag down in my last plane. I had that plane selected. I'm going to go to 6 millimeters because I'm going to make an M6 metric. I'm first going to be making the bolt. Now that I have that, I'm going to select enter, and I'm going to select the surface. I'm going to go to Q for extrude, and I'm just going to pull it out maybe 10 millimeters by entering that in there. Now if I go to my home button in my viewport, you can see that I have the foundation for a nice bolt. So I'm going to select the surface. Under create, I'm going to go to thread. It's really easy to do this. All you have to do is select modeled at the top. That will model the threads. Since it's 6 millimeters, it knows that you want an M6, so that's good. And you can go through any of these settings. I have some of the details on the screen below. I'm going to hit OK. Now it's time to create the actual nut. So I'm going to go under sketch again and hit circle, center circle. I'm going to select the bottom plane, and right next to it, it doesn't need, these are going to be two different parts. I'm going to select the center circle, and now I'm going to hit 6 millimeters again. That matches that previous diameter. Hit enter, and now I'm going to create the outside. I need a female cavity for the actual nut. So I'm going to create circle, center circle, select the center. It really doesn't matter how big the thickness of the cylinder is. Hit enter. Choose my outside of my surface. Hit Q for extrude. I'm going to pull this up. Really doesn't matter. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger than that. So I'm going to choose 12 millimeters and hit OK. Now I'm going to select the inside of that surface. I'm going to go under create thread. There are my settings. Hit modeled. And there are everything that you need to do through. You need to go through this a couple times to get it, and hit OK. And there we have a bolt and a nut. Thanks for watching, and again, there's a course link below if you want more information, or I'll just make more videos, so just tell me what video you want below. Have a great day, you guys.